Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 6 by Galaxy Publication. So now we are starting chapter 12, Constructions. We have studied the technique of measuring line segments and comparing two line segments by observation, by tracing and by using a divider. Here we shall construct a line segment by using a scale and pair of compass. So now construction of a line segment. To draw a line segment of a given length. So we can draw a line segment of a given length in two ways. The first one by using a scale and the second one by using a pair of compass. So now construction, draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. So the first by using a scale. Step 1. Mark a point in your notebook and label it as A. हम एक point ले लेंगे, point A. Now step 2. Place the scale in such a way that the zero mark on the scale coincides with A. हम क्या करेंगे, जो जीरो मार्क है स्केल का उसको A पॉइंट के ऊपर रख देंगे. Then step 3. Now move the sharp end of the pencil along the edge of the scale till it reaches the point 6.5 centimeter of the scale. So पेंसिल की हेल्प से लाइन ड्रॉ करते जाएंगे 6.5 सेंटीमीटर तक. ओके, सो दिस पॉइंट इज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, लेबल द सेकेंड एंड एज B. इसको हम B मार्क कर देंगे एंड AB इज द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन सेगमेंट. Now the second way, by using a pair of compass. So step 1, draw a line L and mark a point X on it. हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की L और एक पॉइंट मार्क कर दिया X उसके ऊपर. Now what to do? Open the arms of the compass so that the end points of the two open arms equal to 6.5. ओके, 0 से लेके 6.5 तक दोनों आर्म्स को हम ओपन कर देंगे. Now what to do? Next step, without disturbing the opening of the compass, place its needle at point A and draw an arc to cut the line L at point Y. X पर हम एक पॉइंटर को फिक्स करके एक आर्क ड्रॉ कर देंगे which is Y point. Okay, so this is 6.5 centimeter, right? So here step 4, XY is the required line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. So very simple and very interesting. When you will do practice, it would be clear to you. Now to draw a line segment equal to a given line segment. अब हमारे पास एक लाइन सेगमेंट गिवन है, उसके इक्वल हमें एक और लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट AB इक्वल टू PQ. सो गिवन अ लाइन सेगमेंट PQ हमें गिवन है. नाउ स्टेप 1, ड्रॉ अ लाइन L, मार्क अ पॉइंट A ऑन इट. हमने लाइन L ड्रॉ की और एक पॉइंट A उसके ऊपर मार्क कर दिया. नाउ स्टेप 2, टेक द कंपास एंड मेजर PQ. अब कंपास की हेल्प से हम PQ को मेजर करेंगे. नाउ स्टेप 3, विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द ओपनिंग, प्लेस द नीडल ऑफ द कंपास एट पॉइंट A ऑन लाइन L एंड ड्रॉ एन आर्क विच कट्स द लाइन एट पॉइंट B. अब हम जो पॉइंटर है कंपास का उसको A पर रखकर एक आर्क ड्रॉ कर देंगे विच इज पॉइंट B, right? Now step 4, AB is the required line segment which is equal to the length of PQ. So AB equals to PQ. Very interesting. Now construction, draw a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of two given line segments. So now what is given? We have two line segments AB and BC, right? Now construct a line segment say AC such that AC is the sum of AB and BC. Now step 1, draw a line L and mark a point A on it. Okay, then step 2, take the compass and measure AB. AB को हम measure कर लेंगे, right? Now step 3, without disturbing the opening, place its needle at A and draw an arc cutting line L at B. अब A पर हम प्लेस करेंगे नीडल को और विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग इट एक आर्क ड्रॉ कर देंगे और उसको पॉइंट को मार्क कर देंगे B, right? Now step 4, again adjust the compass and measure the line segment BC. अब BC को measure करेंगे, right? Then step 5, without disturbing the opening, place the pointer at point B on the line L and draw an arc cutting the line L at C. अब L लाइन के ऊपर फिर से आ जाएंगे और B पॉइंट के ऊपर पॉइंटर फिक्स कर देंगे और आर्क ड्रॉ कर देंगे, right? And this is the point C. Okay, now step 6, AC is the required line segment whose length is equal to the sum of the lengths of line segment AB and BC. So AC equals to AB plus BC. Very interesting. The next is construction of a perpendicular bisector. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector? A line which is perpendicular to a given line segment AB and divides it into two equal halves, that is AO equal to OB. Okay, that line is the perpendicular bisector of AB. जो लाइन गिवन लाइन के परपेंडिकुलर हो और उसको टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में भी डिवाइड करे, दैट इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. सो एक्स वाई इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ ए बी, राइट? सो हियर AO equal to OB and angle XOB is 90 degree. Now how to draw it? So to draw a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, so construction, draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB equals to 5.5 centimeter using a scale and a pair of compass. So step 1, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Step 2, taking A as the center and with any radius more than half of AB, draw an arc on both sides of AB, up and down. Okay, then step 3, similarly taking B as the center and radius as in step 2, जितना हमने पहले रेडियस लिया है उतना ही हमें लेना है, don't change it. Now B is the center, so draw an arc up and step 3, similarly taking B as the center and radius as in step 2, draw another arc on both sides of AB intersecting the previous arcs at C and D. अब B को सेंटर लेंगे और जितना रेडियस हमने पहले लिया है सेम रेडियस लेंगे और एक आर्क ऊपर और एक आर्क नीचे. So they are intersecting at point C and D, right? Now step 4, join C and D crossing AB at O. So CD is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. So verification, measure AO and OB, we find that these two are equal and angle COB and angle COA, that is equal to 90 degree. So that's why CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB, right? Now to draw perpendicular at a point on the line, construction, draw perpendicular at a point on the line segment AB equals to 5.5 centimeter using a scale and a pair of compass. So now given a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter and a point P line on it. Now to construct a line passing through P being perpendicular to AB. Now step 1, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter and make a point P on it. हम एक point P mark कर देंगे AB के ऊपर. Now step 2, taking P as the center and with any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting AB at X and Y. P को हम सेंटर लेंगे और एक convenient radius लेकर हम क्या करेंगे, एक like this semicircle ये ड्रॉ कर देंगे. Now step 3, taking X and Y as centers, हमारे पास ये 2 points हैं X and Y. अब इनको centers लेकर with any suitable radius draw arcs cutting each other at Q. One arc from X, one arc from Y, they are intersecting at point Q, right? Now step 4, join P and Q. P and Q को हम कर देंगे join. Okay, so this PQ is perpendicular to AB, passing through point P. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next, to draw a perpendicular to a given line from a point lying outside the line. अब जो पॉइंट है वो लाइन के ऊपर नहीं है, लाइन से बाहर है. So construction, draw perpendicular from a point outside the line segment AB equal to 5.5 centimeter. Given a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter and a point Y lying outside the line. To construct a line passing through Y which is perpendicular to AB. हमें क्या करना है, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो AB के परपेंडिकुलर हो और Y से पास करे. So now step 1, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter and mark point Y outside the line segment AB. Now step 2, taking Y as center and with any suitable radius, draw an arc cutting AB at C and D. Y को सेंटर लेके हम रेडियस लेंगे कन्वीनियंट एंड वी कैन ड्रॉ एन आर्क लाइक दिस जो AB को कट करेगी 2 पॉइंट्स पर C and D पर. राइट, नाउ स्टेप 3, taking C and D as centers and with radius more than half of CD, draw arcs below AB intersecting each other at X. हम क्या करेंगे, C और D को सेंटर लेंगे, एक कन्वीनियंट रेडियस लेंगे जितना CD है उसके हाफ से ज्यादा. राइट, एंड देन ड्रॉ 2 आर्क्स, one from C, one from D. They will intersect one point at X. Now step 4, join X and Y. X और Y को join कर देंगे. So this XY is the required perpendicular to the line segment AB from point Y lying outside the line segment AB. I hope this is clear to you. The next is construction of a circle. As we know that a circle is the path covered by a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point always remains constant. The fixed point is the center and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. We know very well. Hence a circle can be drawn if its center and radius are known. So construction, draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Step 1, mark a point O on a sheet of paper where a circle is to be drawn. Center हम choose कर लेंगे. Now step 2, take a pair of compass and measure 3.5 centimeter using a scale. Scale की help से 3.5 centimeter compass open करेंगे. Now step 3, without disturbing the opening of the compass, keep the needle at mark O and draw a complete arc holding the compass from its knob. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सर्कल ड्रॉ कर देंगे O को सेंटर लेकर. So after completing one complete round, we get the desired circle. So like this, we will get a circle, right? Now this is the time of exercise 1. See question number 1. Using a scale and a pair of compass, draw the line segments of length. Like these lengths are given, you can draw these one. Similarly, you can try second question. See the fifth question, draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter with center at O. Then mark 3 points A, B and C such that point A is on the circle, B is in the interior and C is in the exterior of the circle. So very simple. I hope you can try these questions on your own. Now come to next, drawing of an angle using a protector. किसी प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से कोई एंगल हम कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. C. Let us draw an angle ABC of 30 degree with the help of a protector. To draw angle ABC, first draw a ray BC on a paper. So now first draw a ray BC on a paper. Now place the projector in such a way that the midpoint of the baseline coincides with point B and the baseline overlaps exactly with ray BC of the angle. अब हमें प्रोटेक्टर को क्या करना है, जो उसका सेंटर पॉइंट है यानी O, उसको हमें B के ऊपर रखना है और जो प्रोटेक्टर की बेस लाइन है उसको BC के ऊपर we have to place it, right? Now, since BC lies to the right of the midpoint of the base line, so start reading the angles on the inner circle from 0 degree and mark at 30 degree as point A. तो जो हम इनर मेजरमेंट्स हैं उनको रीड करेंगे और जहां पर 30 डिग्री है वी हैव टू मार्क अ पॉइंट A, right? Now remove the protector and join points A and B. अब प्रोटेक्टर को हम रिमूव कर देंगे and join A and B. So now angle ABC is the required angle of 30 degree. Okay. Now if ray BC lies to the left of the midpoint of the base line, then start reading the angle on the outer circle from 0 and mark at 30 degree as point A. अगर BC हमारी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है फिर हम जो आउटर रीडिंग्स हैं उनकी हेल्प लेंगे, राइट? और जहां पर 30 डिग्री है देन वी कैन मार्क इट पॉइंट A एंड देन जॉइन A एंड B. So now this is the required angle 30 degree, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is drawing of an angle using a scale and a pair of compass. अब हम compass की help से angle draw कैसे करेंगे? Let's see. To draw an angle equal to a given angle. So given an angle CAB. One angle is given. Now what to do? To construct an angle RPQ equal to angle CAB. जितना एंगल CAB है उतना ही हमें एंगल RPQ ड्रॉ करना है. So what to do? Step 1. Taking A as the center and any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting the arms of angle CAB at point D and E. हम एक कन्वीनियंट रेडियस ले लेंगे और A को सेंटर ले लेंगे, जो कंपास की नीडल है उसको A पर प्लेस करेंगे एंड देन कट वन आर्क. ओके, सो वी आर गेटिंग टू पॉइंट D and E, राइट? नाउ स्टेप 2, ड्रॉ अ रे PQ with P as center and the same radius as above. Draw an arc cutting the ray PQ at S. अब हम एक रे ड्रॉ करेंगे PQ और P को सेंटर लेके विद द सेम रेडियस एक आर्क कट करेंगे PQ रे के ऊपर एंड वी आर गेटिंग पॉइंट S, राइट? नाउ स्टेप 3, taking S as the center and radius equal to DE as in figure this one, draw an arc intersecting a previous arc at a point T. अब जितनी ये आर्क है DE उतनी हम S को सेंटर लेके वन आर्क कट कर देंगे. दिस पॉइंट इज T, राइट? नाउ स्टेप 4, join PT and produce it to form a ray PR. So this is the required angle which is equal to angle CAB. Now last step, we can verify it by measuring the angles using protector. Protector की help से हम दोनों angles को measure कर सकते हैं and then we can verify it, right? The next is bisector of a given angle. किसी angle का bisector means उसका half हम कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? सी, गिवन एन एंगल CAB, वन एंगल इज गिवन CAB. टू कंस्ट्रक्ट बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल CAB, इसका बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है. स्टेप 1, टेकिंग A एज अ सेंटर एंड विद एनी सुटेबल रेडियस, ड्रॉ एन आर्क कटिंग द आर्म्स AB एंड AC of angle CAB at D and E respectively. Okay, now the next step 2, taking D as the center and any radius more than half of DE, draw an arc. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमें इस एंगल का हाफ करना है. So we are using these end points D and E. So one arc from D, okay, and one arc from E with the same radius. और जो वो radius है इस मेजरमेंट के हाफ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. यानी आप रेडियस बिगर लेंगे, इट्स ओके, बट डोंट टेक इट स्मॉलर वन, राइट? So now step 3, similarly taking E as the center and with the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at P. So join AP and produce it to get AQ. तो तो हम ऐसे आर्क्स ड्रॉ कर देंगे. वी आर गेटिंग पॉइंट P and now join this line. So this is what? This is the bisector of this given angle. AQ is the bisector of this given angle. Means suppose this angle is 40 degree, so we are getting 20 degree. If it is 60 degree, we are getting 30 degree each. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Now next very important, construction of angle 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. Very interesting. To construct an angle of 60 degree, कोई 60 डिग्री का एंगल हम कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? See step 1, draw any ray AB. So first draw any ray AB. Okay. Now step 2, taking A as the center and with any suitable radius, draw an arc PQ that cuts AB at Q. Okay. हमें A को सेंटर लेके एक सुटेबल रेडियस लेना है और एक आर्क ऐसे ड्रॉ करनी है. नाउ वी आर गेटिंग पॉइंट Q ऑन AB. Right? Now step 3, taking Q as a center and radius equal to AQ. Right? जितना ये है AQ means same radius. आपने क्या करना है? Q को सेंटर लेके इस आर्क को कट करना है like this. So you are getting, this is the step 3, taking Q as the center and radius equal to AQ, draw an arc cutting the previous arc at point R, right? Now what to do? Step 4, join AR and produce it to get AC. So what is this? This is the angle 60 degree, right? Step 5, angle BAC is the required angle equal to 60 degree. Now the next is to construct an angle of 120 degree. So step 1, draw a ray BC. Then step 2, taking B as the center and with any suitable radius, draw an arc PQ cutting BC at Q. जब भी हमें like 120 डिग्री ड्रॉ करना है, so we have to start with 60 only. Always any angle we are constructing, we have to start with 60 degree. So same steps. Now B as center, any suitable radius, cut an arc. We are getting point Q, right? Now step 3, taking Q as center and BQ as radius, draw an arc cutting arc PQ at R. Q को सेंटर लेके हम एक आर्क कट कर देंगे. So let it be R, right? So taking R as center and with the same radius, cut an arc PQ at another point S. This is 60 degree. We want 120 degree. So you know this is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये 60 डिग्री है. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? R को सेंटर लेके we can draw one arc. So this becomes 60 plus 60. This becomes 120 degree. But don't change the radius. Okay. Here you can see taking R as the center and with the same radius cut an arc PQ at another point S. Right. Now step 4, join BS and produce it to get BA. So this is angle 120 degree. So step 5, angle ABC is the required angle of measure of 120 degree. Now the next, to construct an angle of 90 degree. So step 1, draw a line AC and mark a point B on it. So 90 degree we can do with the help of 60 and 120 also, and we can do by this way also. So see here, they have taken a line like AC and mark a point B on it. Now what to do? Step 2, taking B as center with any suitable radius, draw an arc PQ cutting AC at point P and Q like a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. You know this is 180 degree और अगर हम इसका हाफ करेंगे वो बन जाएगा 90 degree. So what to do? Step 3, taking P and Q as the centers and with any convenient radius draw arcs intersecting each other at D. अब P को सेंटर लेंगे, एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे and with the center Q we can draw one more arc with the same radius. Then we are getting point D. Okay. Now what to do? Join B and D. So this is what? This is perpendicular. So here angle ABD equals to angle DBC, that is 90 degree. I hope this is clear to you. The next we are constructing an angle 30 degree. So you know 30 is the half of 60 degree. So what to do? First we have to draw 60 degree. So step 1, draw an angle of 60 degree as explained before. You know very well how to draw angle 60 degree. So now this is 60 degree. अब हमें इसका हाफ करना है, यानी इस आर्क का हाफ करना है. देन व्हाट टू डू? स्टेप 2, टेकिंग P as center and a radius greater than half of PQ, ड्रॉ एन आर्क जैसे हमने एंगल बाइसेक्टर में किया था. सेम वे P को सेंटर लेंगे, एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे and the same taking Q as the center and with the same radius draw another arc. फिर Q को सेंटर लेके आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे. दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट D, राइट. नाउ स्टेप 3, join A and D to get ray AD. So this is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. So step 4, AD is the angular bisector of angle CAB. Therefore angle CAD equals to angle DAB, that is equal to 30 degree, right. Now the next, to construct an angle of measure 45 degree. अब हमें 90 डिग्री का हाफ करना है. Now to construct an angle of measure 45 degree means half of 90 degree. So step 1, draw an angle of 90 degree as explained before. सबसे पहले हम 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. Then now step 2, taking Q as center and a radius more than half of QR. अब Q को सेंटर लेंगे और QR की जो मेजरमेंट है उसके हाफ से ज़्यादा हमें रेडियस लेना है. एंड देन ड्रॉ वन आर्क फ्रॉम Q point, right. Now the next is taking R as center. Now R is the center. With the same radius draw another arc. They are intersecting at point E. Now what to do? Join AE, right. So you know this is 90 degree, so its half is, this is 45 degree. So step 5, AE is the angular bisector of angle DAC. Therefore angle DAC equals to angle EAC equal to 45 degree. So you can verify this by using a protractor. Now exercise 2, based on such type of questions, like here 5th question, draw angle ABC 60 degree, draw the bisector of this angle means draw 30 degree. तो सबसे पहले आप 60 डिग्री ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन इट्स bisector. Okay, now here 6th question, draw a line segment PQ equals to 8 centimeter with its midpoint as the center. Draw a circle. PQ लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, लाइन सेगमेंट PQ 8 सेंटीमीटर, उसका मिड पॉइंट सेंटर लेंगे और उसी को सेंटर एज्यूम करके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे, राइट. सो यू कैन ट्राई दीज वन ऑन योर ओन, वेरी सिंपल. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ मेंटल मैथ्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. लाइक हियर C part, any angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle, right. Now this one G part, dash is the shortest distance between 2 points, that is perpendicular. Okay, so you can try these one also, like question number 2, state true or false. Like B part, an angle of 90 degrees, a right angle. Yes, this is true. Like here now D part, a bisector of an angle divides a line into 3 parts. No, this is false. A bisector of an angle divides an angle into 2 equal parts. Now this is the time of math lab activity. Objective: to find the bisector of an angle by folding. Material required: sheet of paper, scale and pencil. So you can try this activity. Very interesting. I hope this is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.